Welcome to ZetaFisc. In this series we will look at roles and permissions, what they are, how to use them, and how to give a person exactly the access they need. Nothing more, and nothing less. Let us start with the two words you will see everywhere. A permission is one single thing a person is allowed to do. Create a voucher. Approve a loan. Run payroll. A role is simply a bundle of those permissions that you give to a person. Everything to do with roles lives in settings. Let us open the Roles and Permissions tab. Here are the roles that come with every ZetaFisc account. 12 of them, ready to use. Look at the Permissions column. It tells you at a glance how much power each role carries. Admin has everything, 70 permissions on this account. Finance and accountant have 13 each, enough to do the books. Approver has 2. Viewer has just 1, which is to view reports. Sales rep has 1 as well, to see only their own commission. So the roles are not all equal, and that is the point. You give a person the role that matches the job they actually do. Let us open the finance role to see how permissions are arranged. This is the permission editor, and it is the same screen whether you are editing a role or building a brand new one. Permissions are grouped by area of the business. Finance. Operations. Inventory. People. Each gray heading is one of those groups. Inside each group you have categories. Payment vouchers. Petty cash. Customers. Vendors. Each category is one card, and the number under the name tells you how many of its permissions this role currently holds. Click the arrow on any category and it opens up to show exactly what is inside. Payment vouchers holds 3 permissions: create vouchers, approve or reject them, and delete or edit a draft. Notice they are separate. Being able to create a voucher does not let you approve it. That separation is deliberate, and it is what keeps one person from raising a payment and approving it themselves. The switch on the left of the card is a shortcut. Turn it on and you grant every permission in that category at once. Turn it off and you take them all away. If you only want 1 or 2, use the checkboxes instead. And the counter at the top always tells you the total. That is how many permissions this role will carry when you save. In the next video we will build a custom role from scratch, and I will show you how to decide what to give it.